Just going to do a quick video for those that have followed along with that story of the "oh hell no, not in my apiary hive." Well, there she is. There she is, still in 3 more boxes. I'm going to be getting rid of this box because I don't have enough honey in it to leave all 3 boxes. They'll donate to some of these others, but I'll link the original "oh hell no, not my apiary" part 1, where they were going out 35 yards trying to find something to sting. They were quite pissy. The whole story goes is I found the queen, I pinched her, I replaced her a couple of days later with a queen cell from my stock, and as you can see, they're just as gentle as can be. They're not doing anything like they were doing when I went and picked them up from that lady that got sent to the ER because of them. I mean, look at this. Not really reacting. Look at that, not even really reacting. Now you're going to have some of the detractors that say, oh, well, bear, skunk, possum, whatever comes and starts messing with them, they won't defend the hive. I beg to differ. I'll give anybody money to come down here and sit out here and scratch on the front entrance of any of these hives and see what happens. Sorry about this, I got a cold. All right, guys, I'm gonna just end it here. A little short, quick update. Later.